Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix element not found explorer.exe error in Windows 11. So right click on start, then open task manager. Now here guys, click on details. Now find out explorer.exe, this one. So right click on it and click on end task. Click on end process. Then click on file and click on run new task. Now type explorer.exe and check this box. Create this task with administrative privileges, then click on OK. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully guys, after restart you can fix and resolve element not found explorer.exe error in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.